Got my first targeted Indiana bobcat here today, November 29th. Pretty cat. Had a real nice setup here. Caught a coyote here the other day. It's coming off out of this lake bottom. Got me a feather right there. Had to set, about right here. That's a pretty cat. Not real big, but I will definitely take it. Glad to get him. I'll get this remade, tear that feather down, and we'll probably catch some more coyotes. Pretty good spot. So, pretty cat. Stay tuned.